So now I have some of my friends, these rolled up blankets. And these blankets are here on purpose because I'm going to show you how to position yourself for lying on your side with support. This is a position that can help many of us who like to sleep on our stomach, but we've been told is not really good for our neck and our posture. So I'm going to use these pillows and show you a method that I've used for a long time. This is kind of a Nydia side-lying supported position for sleeping or just lying and resting for a little while. Not everybody stays in this position all night, but at least it's a beginning to help you rest, and then from there your body might change. So here we go. These can be pillows. This can be a whole body pillow. You know, if this was one long body pillow, then it would kind of look like that. I just have these blankets and I'm going to show you the way that I use them. So if I have a pillow that is folded or in a position where I can place it, and I'm going to bring these in a little bit because I'm going to lie down on my side and let my head rest on this pillow. Optimally, I want the pillow not to be too short that my neck is dragging or too big, tall, that my neck is also arched in a way that's uncomfortable. I want it to position my head where here I am, shoulders are comfortable, my head and neck is somewhat neutral. Now I'm going to take this arm, in a moment I'll show you the other side, but I'm going to take this right arm and I'm going to place it behind me, resting my head on the blanket. Now I'm going to take and continue with placing a blanket between my knees to support my hips. And this blanket here is going to come in to my abdomen and I'm going to pull it in. So now I'm going to angle my body forward and rest my left arm. And in this position, I could be here for a while. My right arm is stretching back behind me. I could just rest and breathe. Those of us who are stomach sleepers, we like the feeling of pressure on our abdomen. So this pillow underneath your abdomen and chest here, oh, that can feel really great for someone who's a stomach sleeper. Now, I'm a recovered stomach sleeper, and I still can't get over this position. You should give it a try. Now, I want to show you what's happening with this back arm. So I'm going to do this facing away from you. Let me get my blankets over here. And once again, I come up. Now I'm going to reach for my blanket or pillow. This left arm, this is how I'm sneaking that arm back behind me. I'm going to reach down and stretch behind me. I'm going to use my pillow, let my head rest, and reach this arm back. Take my pillows between my knees, and take my pillow to my belly. And just rest. Now notice how I'm stretching that left arm, resting. Right arm comes to my blankets here, and then just breathe. This is important. This might feel weird at first to stretch that left arm, but what we're trying to do is to keep from pinking up and sleeping like this, which could be really problematic to your neck or your shoulders. And for some of us, we get tingling in our hands when that happens because the blood circulation is going away. So stretch it out, support it, and rest. Breathe. I hope that makes sense. And I hope that you'll try it. Remember, be patient. Try a different pillow. Make sure it's not too big, too little. You'll be like Goldilocks, I guess. Find just the right one. Peace.